If we go to the turret tab, we have the ability to select which tool crib. You do have the ability to create several tool cribs depending upon which ones you want for which machines. You can do tool crib priority, and what that means is when feature works you can select tool crib priority, which will look at when feature recognition happens. It'll pull from the tool crib first versus the tech database. This comes in handy if you always have like the first 10 tools are always your standard tools and you want to keep them the same all the time. If you turn on tool crib priority, it'll try to use those tools before it uses anything else. It's just another way to automate the process. You can tell it to use tool crib tools only, and then at that point it will grab tools based on what's in the crib and then apply them to the features you want to use. It just really depends upon how your process works in your company with putting tools in and out of the machine. Some companies, you just have a holder, you put all these tools in the machine in the correct station, they're already preset, and then away you go. Other companies look at it as I have the first 20 tools in my tool holder, those are always the same, and I want to use all those 20 before I use anything else, so it reduces my setup time. As we talked about, you have tool changer times, the time it takes to swap a tool, seek times if you're going to go from rear to front, front to rear. And then you do have the ability to click your tool crib form, and this tells you all the tools that are in your first, well, in this example, it'd be the first 40 or first 16. You can add more here. You just click on it, add a row. Very Access database like. You can see it's based out by tool type, and then there's a specific ID from the database where it's pulling. You have parameters for how it's going to work. If you have a diameter offset or a length offset, gauge X, Y, or Z offset, you can have those pieces of information in here as well, and then CamWorks will utilize all that information when it creates the post.